guy's really hurt. I've got to do something to try to help him. You are pretty beat up. I didn't think that you were gonna make it.
I really do owe you big time, but I gotta go. Time to play tag, and you're it. You idiot! What are you doing?
If you die now, then I saved your life for nothing.
I'm gonna enjoy this. I'll eat you up!
Kid, no!
Guess someone got a little too excited.
I said I owe you one, and I'm gonna return the favor. I take my life and give it to you. I'm gonna give you a hand. All you gotta do is make a fist and send the pieces